Hello! In this video lesson, we'll get to know the rules for pronouncing the letters TI when they appear next to each other in a word. A couple of letters TI can be pronounced in 4 different ways. That's why this lesson is maybe more difficult than other pronouncing lessons. However, I'm sure you'll get it quickly as we'll go slowly, step by step. Let's start off from the first rule. If the letters TI are before a consonant, they are pronounced T. T like time and E like Italy. T. Let's have a look at some examples. Un article. Constituer. La critique. Diplomatique. Pratique. Retirer, satisfaire, sentir. If the letters TI are before a vowel, they are pronounced S. S as sun and Y as yes. S. Let's have a look at the examples. Une abolition, la condition, la nation, la médication, la protestation, une administration, la conversation, la respiration, la situation, la réception, une addition, une articulation. However, there is an exception to this rule. If TI is preceded by the letter S and followed by a vowel, it isn't pronounced S, but T. T as time and Y as yes. T. Otherwise, we would have 2 sounds S. So STI is pronounced STI. Questionner. Le bastion. La digestion, bestial. Le christianisme, la gestion, congestionnaire, vestiaire. There are also some characteristic endings containing TI in itself. For example, TIE is pronounced T. As we already know, E at the end of a word isn't pronounced. It is mute soundless. So these 3 letters are pronounced T. Bâti, averti, la partie, démenti. But some words deviate from this rule. These exceptions are usually words of foreign origin. Let's have a look at these exceptions. Diplomacy, Greek origin. Dalmatie, region in Croatia. Croatie. Democracy, again Greek origin. We have again ending TIE, but E with accent aigu. As we know, E with accent aigu at the end of a word is pronounced. So this band of letters is pronounced tie. T like time, E like Italy, and A like else. Tie. La pitié. Une amitié. Châtier. La moitié. Sometimes it can be pronounced ciel, and it is again in words of foreign origin. And the last rule, but not the least, if a word has one of these endings listed here, then TI is pronounced TIE. The endings are TIEN, T-I-E-R, T-I-E with accent grave, R-E, T-I-E with accent grave, N-E. So in these endings, T-I is pronounced T. La cafetière, le cimetière, la frontière, la matière, entier, un entretien, huitième, le quartier. Now I will quickly repeat the rules. If TI is before a consonant, it is pronounced T. Article. If TI is before a vowel, it is pronounced Sie. Nation. If TI is preceded by the letter S and followed by a vowel, it is pronounced T. Bestial. In words having endings TIE, T is pronounced T. In endings TIE with accent aigu, TIE is pronounced T. Exceptions to these rules are words of foreign origin. And in characteristic endings I have mentioned above, TI is pronounced T. Matière. That would be all for now. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Till the next time, just keep on practicing. Have a nice day. Bonne journée. See you soon. À bientôt.